Hello guys, welcome here. Welcome to my channel. This is my trading channel where I want to share all my knowledge that I acquired through all these years of trading. For the last 7 years, I've traded non-stop, day and night. I've tried every possible strategy that you might think of. I've seen bonds, stocks, normal markets, crypto, a lot of crypto, more crypto. I've seen everything that you might think might happen, they're happening. I've seen exponential rises, I've seen big crashes, moderate crashes. I've seen crashes that will most probably make you cry late at night without knowing what to do if you do not want to go into such a terrible place which the markets are right now with all the crisis going on. Be sure to subscribe and watch my videos. I'll be posting daily and I'll be exposing all the weaknesses of the market, and if possible I'll try to give you direction and all the needed tools so that you can defend yourself against the possible losses that this market can give you. This is not a drill. You have to be really well equipped before you try in investing or trading, especially trading, even more day trading. This is not a game, it's not a child's game. You cannot do this without a lot of learning, a lot of experience and guidance. Here is the time to say that my channel has educational purposes and I'm not a financial advisor. If you decide to trade, it's on your own risk, which you should know right now. It's incredibly high. But overall, thank you for coming. I hope that you enjoy my videos. If you have questions, post them down below. I'll try to answer all of them. And be sure to not give up. There are money in the markets and professional traders are making them every day. The difference between them and you is that you have not been taught correctly and you did not have all the information that they actually have or they have acquired through experience. In this channel, you're going to have this and you're going to acquire all the needed tools and skills to crush the markets. Be sure to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.